Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can change by sine x squared and sine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. Because we have cosine x squared, that means we need to put cosine x squared go to the right. And now we have like this. Next, I will put this one go in here. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x, and later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 5. This one that is about u squared. Sine x dx we change by negative du. So this one multiply by number 1 and u square in here. Next, we have the formula in here. So we put number 5 go in here. So we have 5 plus 1, we have number 6. Similar for the second one. And now we have like this. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.